this video, we're going to learn what information goes into the company section. Up on your menu bar, you have the word company, and then what we're going to do is we're going to click on My Company. Now, when the window opens up, understand only the company administrator will have access to this information. So right here, again, we have our Edit button, and we have 5 different options for you to go through. What is the company name? What is the company address? The country it's located, phone number, fax number, email address, as well as website information. You want to make sure that information is correct and in there. Legal information. What is the actual legal name? Here in Rock Castle Construction, we put INC for Incorporated. We have the legal address. We have the city, state, and zip code, as well as the country. Company identification number. This is a fake employer identification number, however, it is very important. If you do not have a federal employer identification number, you are required to utilize your social security number as the owner of the business. Report information. What is your fiscal year? What is your tax year? Usually they are one and the same, however, you have the option of having different years, so please consult with your tax professional about that. What is the income tax form used? In this instance, for this example, we have an 1120S or an S corporation. File your payroll tax information. Who is your contact info? Who is the contact's title, as well as the phone number that they're available to you, because this will be printing out on your payroll reports. For additional information, please subscribe to my YouTube channel.